High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a very serious matter. About 1 in every 3 adults in America has it. If left untreated, it can lead to kidney failure, coronary artery disease, stroke, and even heart failure. Most people cannot sense when their blood pressure is high, so it is vital for you to get your blood pressure checked regularly and keep it in a normal range. Stop by a local Fast Med urgent care clinic if you are worried about your blood pressure. Dangers of high blood pressure. 1. Brain stroke. Reduced blood supply to the brain can lead to rapid loss of brain. 2. Vision loss. Hypertensive retinopathy. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels in the retina, resulting in loss of vision. 3. Blood vessel damage. Atherosclerosis. Hypertension is a leading cause of atherosclerosis, the artery narrowing process that can result in heart attack and stroke. 4. Heart attack. Hypertension causes the heart to pump against high blood pressure, making it work harder than necessary. Over time, this causes the heart muscle to thicken, restricting blood flow, which can lead to heart failure. 5. Kidney failure. Damaged blood vessels in the kidneys can't effectively filter your blood, resulting in a dangerous accumulation of fluid and waste. 6. Bone loss. High blood pressure may increase the amount of calcium in your urine. That excessive elimination of calcium may lead to loss of bone density, osteoporosis. Here are 10 lifestyle changes that the Mayo Clinic lists as ways to help keep your blood pressure at a healthy level and reduce your chances of heart disease. 1. Watch your waistline and lose any extra weight. 2. Exercise 30 to 60 minutes most days of the week. 3. Eat a healthy diet of whole grains, fruits, and veggies, and low-fat dairy. 4. Monitor and reduce sodium in your diet. 5. Limit your alcohol intake. 6. Do not use tobacco products and avoid second-hand smoke. 7. Cut down on your caffeine intake. 8. Reduce your stress. 9. Monitor your blood pressure regularly and see your doctor. 10. Get support from family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.